Hi there! Ever been in a situation in which a group of totally different people needed to work together to realize a common goal? Of course you have. And as you have probably realized, this is often not an easy situation. But don't worry, in this presentation we are going to help you understand your teammates no matter how much they differ from you. And we will also show you that this diversity isn't actually a bad thing, but just a necessity for good teamwork. The key to all of this is understanding cognitive profiles. Cognitive what? Cognitive profiles. A cognitive profile is the way in which an individual extracts information from his or her environment, processes it, and uses it to make decisions. You see, when you are working in a team, it's important to realize that different people may process information in a different way. Or in other words, that your team members may have other cognitive profiles than you. How is that possible, I hear you thinking? Well, it is actually not that hard to understand. First, you need to know that each way of thinking is determined by 4 basic strengths. These basic strengths are knowing, planning, inventing, and cooperating. Knowing means being strong in focusing on facts, figures, exact data, etc. Planning means being strong in the execution of tasks, in controlling the process and having a good knowledge of the procedures and regulations involved. Inventing means being strong on creativity, innovation, ambition, and so on. Cooperating, finally, means having a lot of empathy and good communication skills. The second thing you need to know is that for every person, 2 of those 4 basic strengths dominate the others. Or in other words, these 2 dominating strengths determine which cognitive profile one has. As the quick calculators among you probably already have realized, 6 different cognitive profiles can be distinguished. There are the experts, who combine the basic strengths knowing and planning, the inventors, who combine knowing and inventing, the advisors, who combine knowing and cooperating, the pushers, who combine planning and inventing, the executors who combine planning and cooperating, and finally the entertainers who combine inventing and cooperating. Seldomly, a person has no 2 dominating strengths, but 3 or even 4 strengths which are equally developed. For those people, a 7th special cognitive profile is defined. They are the so-called all-rounders. So, quick summary. There are 4 basic strengths who determine one's way of thinking: knowing, planning, inventing, and cooperating. For every individual, 2 of those basic strengths dominate the others and form one's cognitive profile. In total, 7 cognitive profiles can be distinguished: experts, inventors, advisors, pushers, executors, entertainers, and all-rounders. That wasn't so hard to understand, was it? Now, you could ask, why is this diversity of cognitive profiles actually a good thing for a team? Wouldn't it be better if all team members had the same profile? Wouldn't this make communication and working together a lot easier? The answer is no. It's best to have all types of cognitive profiles within your team. We make this clear with an example. Imagine a team which consists only of experts. There would have a lot of thinking and planning of the project, but who would add some creativity to the solution or take care of the communication? Indeed, to be able to cover all things which are needed for a good solution, creativity, planning, knowledge, social and communication skills, diversity is necessary.
Created using Powtoon.